Amapetu installs top manager of Shell Oil Company, Ogungbure, as new Oyenogho of Mahin land. The Amapetu of Mahin, His Royal Majesty Oba Segun Williams Akinyomi, has conferred the prestigious chieftaincy title of Oyenogho of Mahin on top manager of Shell Petroleum Development Company, SPDC, Oluwabusayo Olufemi Martin Oyenogho Ogungbure. The conferment of 4th Oyenogho on Ogungbure by the Amapetu of Mahin took place on Saturday, 19th August 2023 at the Oba Amapetu's Palace, Ode Mahin, Ilaje local government area of Ondo State, Nigeria, while the reception and entertainment of guests took place at Williams Hall, Igbokoda, the headquarters of Ilaje local government. The installation program started around 12:20 p.m. with opening prayer by Honorable Olorunwa Akinbuwa, aka Akpokon, the Otumba of Mahin land. Speaking at the installation program in Ode Mahin, Oba Akinyomi said Oyenogho is a special chieftaincy title in Mahin Kingdom. He stressed that the office of Oyenogho works closely with the Amapetu in rallying the descendants of Mahin Kingdom wherever they are in the world for the unity, peace, and progress of the Mahin race. Historically, the office Oyenogho has its roots in the remarkable roles played by his grandfather, late High Chief Abraham Omoshuyi Ogungbure, who was the first Oyenogho of Mahin land. While performing the installation, Amapetu sat on the ancient seat in Ode Mahin to pray for the new Oyenogho of Mahin land and subsequently conferred the chieftaincy title on him. Amapetu also prayed for all the Kabiesis, Olojas, Baales, special guests, and the community dwellers present at the event, after which Ubu, Mahi, Aheri, Etikon Women Wing entertained the congregation with melodious songs. Followed by Mr. Felix Omowole, who rendered local song called Birikbo. Immediately after the installation at Ode Mahin, they moved to Williams Hall, Igbokoda, the headquarters of Ilaje, for celebration and entertainment of guests. chairman of the occasion, High Chief Benjamin Olomidegun, ably represented by Barrister Dr. Austin Efoton. Certificate of installation was presented to the new Oyenogho of Mahin by Oba Segun Williams Akinyomi, the Amapetu of Mahin.
Take this moment of office to of installation to Oluwabusayo Martin Oyenogho Ogungbure as Oyenogho
After which, the closing remarks was given by the celebrant, thanking Ondo State Governor Arakunrin Oluwarotimi Akeredolu, SAN, CON, and his deputy, Honorable Lucky Ayedatiwa, for giving him enabling environment to hold the program. He equally appreciated Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, Alhaji Amidu Takuro, Oba Segun Williams Akinyomi, the Amapetu of Mahin land, and all the traditional rulers who attended the program. He further appreciated all invited guests who sacrificed their time and other engagements to be present at the program and grace the installation ceremony. He finally prayed for journey masses to their respective destinations. At the reception, as much as Mr. Stephen Ajiniso, the MC, was on ground to direct the program, so also Dipo D musical team was fully on ground entertaining the guests with juju music. Some dignitaries who attended the reception ceremony were Oba Segun Williams Akinyomi, Amapetu of Mahin, Oba T.O. Adeshayo, Ahaba of Ajagba, Oba P.O. Kalejaye, Odede of Igbegunrin, Oba Professor Aderibigbe Olomola Arapatana of Itebukumi, Oba Andrew Kolawole Ikwesan, the Olubo of Obenla, Oba Oluwafemi Ogbaro, the Odoka of Obe Ogbaro dynasty, Oba Adeloye Olawole Alara of Araromi. Others were Mr. Alabo Gideon Ekewe, Secretary to the State Government, SSG Bayelsa State, Mr. Nelson Omoyoloye, Honorable Nimbe Tawoshe, Honorable Oluyide Mekuleyi, Mr. Benjamin Ogungbure, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Honorable Mrs. Wumi Anna Fayemi Obayelu, Member Ondo State House of Assembly representing Ilaje Constituency 2, I Chief Samuel Ogunji, Barrister Bayo Ololajulo Osopadek Director, Mr. Babarire Akiyomi, and host of others. Few leaders who spoke with Coastal Renaissance News about the celebrants were Mr. Ebiesuwa Philemon, Mr. Sukomi Bisiriyi, Senior Staff of Shell Petroleum Development Company, Elder Sam Erejua, Osopadek Chairman, amongst others.
I'm the chairman of Osopadek Ondo State, but today I'm representing the acting governor, Honorable Lucky Ayedatiwa. I want to congratulate the man of today. His name is Oyenogho, and is crowned as Oyenogho of Mahin land. It's not a small feat. My advice is that he continue to be a good ambassador for the Mahin land, for Ilaje land, for Ondo State. And I pray that God will grant him wisdom, the strength, and the wherewithal to take us to the next level. Thank you.
Today, High Chief Oyenogho is a well-known person to me. I've known him over 30 years ago when we all belonged to the same association called Ilaje Youth Organization. While I was the chairman, he was the secretary. And he's been living a very good, upright life until we went our different ways. And when he told me of I think he deserved it. And I'm very confident that this also will also help him to propagate the culture of Ilaje, which he has been doing from the past. So I'm happy for him. I'm grateful to God that he's alive, that I'm alive, and we're all alive to celebrate this thing with him. So I wish him the best of luck, the best of time. Thank you very much.
I'm Mr. Sunfami Bisiri, a colleague to High Chief Oyenogho. He's a very good friend, very close, a brother and a colleague. I've known him for more than 7 years, and he has been a very great friend. We are here to celebrate with him, to request with him chieftaincy title that he was given by his community. I'm sure before any community can give anyone a title, that means he very much deserves it. And being a close person, I've known him, like I said, for many years. He's a good guy, so he truly deserves it. So even in the office and everybody else.
I am Dr. Adeolu Efforton. I am the representative of the chairman of today's occasion, High Chief Benjamin Olumuyiwa Olumudebu. So he's in faraway France for an official international assignment. So my advice today, the relationship, coincidentally, the celebrant of today happens to be a cousin of mine unknown to me. I thought that I was here to represent only the chairman of today's occasion, unknown to me that the mother of the celebrant is from my community and my dynasty, and the dynasty of Amapetu, where the mother of the celebrant is from. Well, from the array and galaxy of representation of people that were here today, the celebrant today has graduated from a microcosm to macrocosm. Is now a leader of the nation and is now a symbol of the culture or socio-cultural heritage of the Nigerian nation. So he is a bridge builder and he must continue to showcase beauty and the socio-cultural heritage of the Nigerian nation to the outside world. Thank you. God bless. Yeah, today been installed as the fourth Oyenogho of Mahin Kingdom, and Oyenogho title is a big one in Mahin Kingdom. So that automatically makes me, one of the leaders of thought traditionally in Mahin Kingdom. So the things I've known, I will bring them back. What